Hi, today I want to talk about this topic which is separation and individuation. So, first, why we are talking about this? Because this is something that I think इसके बारे में ज़्यादा बात नहीं करते हैं, but it is a very core part of growing up or of having a healthy of developing a healthy relationship with your own self. So this is something that needs to happen, as a part of growing up into a healthy adult. And why we are talking about it? Because it is related to self-hatred, something that I talk about, or something that my work revolves around. So it is related to self-hatred, how you would get to know, because it affects our relationship with ourselves. So when this does not happen, so मतलब when we end up growing into an adult, जहाँ पर ये process या फिर ये चीज़ नहीं हुई है, when we fail to separate or individuate from a caretaker या फिर जो एक दूसरा dominant person है, so it shapes our identity. It makes us into a kind of adult person that has become problematic to us now as an adult. Okay, so let's start. So first I want to talk about what is happening. ठीक है, what happens. So ये सपोज हम है, राइट, और ये मैंने छोटा बनाया क्योंकि ये चाइल्ड है, राइट. दिस इज आवर चाइल्ड वर्जन जब हम छोटे थे, व्हेन वी वर चिल्ड्रन, जस्ट अ चाइल्ड. और ये हमारा पेरेंट है, और मैं यहाँ पर स्पेसिफिक एक पेरेंट का ही केस लूंगी, बिकॉज ये जो प्रोसेस होता है सेपरेशन और इंडिविजुएशन, दिस नीड्स टू हैपन विद दिस पर्सन. यानी कि जो डोमिनेंट पर्सन होता है जिसपे हम फुली रिलाई करते हैं, फुली मतलब डिपेंडेंट होते हैं एज अ चाइल्ड फॉर आर ग्रोथ, फॉर आर सर्वाइवल. अ चाइल्ड इज डिपेंडेंट ऑन दिस पर्सन. दिस इज अ पेरेंट, वन ऑफ द पेरेंट्स और टू पेरेंट्स और एनी अदर गार्जियन जिसके ऊपर हम पूरा डिपेंडेंट थे, ठीक है, फॉर आर सर्वाइवल. तो ये चाइल्ड अपने सर्वाइवल के लिए पूरा डिपेंडेंट होता है इस पे फुली. मतलब एक चाइल्ड असली में केपेबल होता ही नहीं है टू टेक केयर ऑफ देमसेल्व्स और टू बी इन दिस वर्ल्ड विदाउट दिस पर्सन. दिस दे नीड दिस पर्सन फॉर एवरीथिंग, फ्रॉम फूड टू शेल्टर टू इवन फॉर देयर इमोशनल सेफ्टी. इमोशनल सेफ्टी इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द नीड्स दैट दिस चाइल्ड नीड्स. that feeling of love, या फिर that feeling that okay, I am safe, I am in safe hands, nothing wrong is going to happen with me, that is also one of the needs that this child needs, along with food and shelter and all of those things. So यहाँ पर मैंने क्या केस लिया कि okay, this is us and this is our parent, ठीक है. अब यहाँ पर सी I have drawn a bond या फिर attachment. यहाँ पर एक बहुत ही strong attachment है और ये होता है, ये होना चाहिए. This is right, this is, and I have written see healthy dynamic. So this is healthy dynamic, this is how it is supposed to be. So as children, we are supposed to depend and we are supposed to have a very strong attachment here. So we are dependent, we are needy on this person for all our needs, to feel safe, to feel loved, for our physical health as well. I mean, for our physical needs as well, to be fed, to be looked after, to be cleaned up and everything. So this is what happens with all of us. But when problem begins, अब होता क्या है, जहाँ पर ये एक मैंने ग्रोइंग फेज दिखा दिया. सो दिस इज द फेज व्हेन वी ग्रो, सो वी आर ग्रोइंग अप. अब यहाँ पर जब होता क्या है, इफ here invalidation happens, और इसको मैं डिफाइन करूंगी. नाउ व्हाट इज इनवैलिडेशन? सी इनवैलिडेशन मतलब होता है, see as a child, when we grow up, when we are growing up, we start to make sense of the world, we start to understand ourselves as well. As it's like not understand, but we start to discover a sense of who we are. We start to make sense of who I am, how does this world work, and what is my value in this world, where do I stand, what are my beliefs, what is my worth in this world. So that is what we start to develop while growing. And invalidation का मतलब होता है that when this child is dependent on this person to find out things like okay, what is my worth, what is my value, how much do I mean in this world, and because this child is trying to make the sense of themselves in this world कि okay, what is my place, where do I stand, as well as they start to make an understanding or a perspective about the world as well, that okay, what is the world, like world कैसा है, all of these things. So जब ये develop कर रहा है, तो this child is definitely going to get all his answers from this person. क्योंकि what does the child do? They blabber, they talk, and they keep expressing themselves कि अच्छा ऐसे होता है, and then they keep asking in between कि ये कैसे होता है, all of those things. So this child is trying to make the sense of the world. And यहाँ पर बिकॉज ये चाइल्ड है, तो इसके लिए जो फीलिंग पार्ट होता है, जो इमोशन पार्ट होता है, वो बहुत ही स्ट्रांग होता है. सो मोर देन बिलीविंग इन वर्ड्स, अ चाइल्ड टेंड्स टू बिलीव इन एनर्जी, दैट हाउ डज अ पर्सन मेक मी फील, एंड ऑल ऑफ दोज थिंग्स. एंड इनवैलिडेशन का मतलब क्या है, दैट यहाँ पर जब वो चाइल्ड वो क्वेश्चन थ्रो करता है, जब व्हेन दिस चाइल्ड इज क्यूरियस अबाउट समथिंग, व्हेन दिस चाइल्ड इज जस्ट वांटिंग टू नो, और wanting to attach with this person, wanting to feel that okay, how मतलब what is my worth, how much do I carry value as a person. और जब यहाँ से वो मतलब उसको आंसर नहीं मिलता, जब उसको वैसा फीडबैक, वैसा मैसेज नहीं मिलता दैट ओके, यू आर वैल्यूएबल, यू मीन, और व्हेन दिस चाइल्ड डज नॉट फील हर्ड, डज नॉट फील अंडरस्टूड, डज नॉट फील आंसर्ड, लाइक दैट व्हाट आई आस्क और व्हाट आई that I matter, when this child starts to feel that what I express or what I say, I don't feel that it is being heard, it is actually being acknowledged by this person. और ये बहुत रीजन से होता है. Maybe this person is very busy. See, we all have our own life. So as a parent also, suppose this person is suppose a single parent, or they are a kind of maybe they have their own unprocessed emotions, या फिर मतलब इनके खुद का ही बहुत ही chaotic inner world है. So they will not have enough space to actually validate this child every time. Because for this the child can get a lot for at some time, because a child is supposed to be like that. ये यहाँ पर it is not this child's job to understand this person and then manage their emotion, and actually it is this person's job. But अगर ये इंसान खुद ही इसका chaotic inner world है, if they are not sorted internally, or if they are not if their emotions are not sorted, they cannot regulate their own emotions. So this person would not be in a place to validate this child, to make this child feel that, okay, I hear you, I understand what you say, I acknowledge all your curiosity, and and then I'm also able to validate you, that I'm also able to treat you in a way to make you feel such that you feel that, okay, I matter, I have a value in this place, and that world is safe for me to be. So यहाँ पर ये वाला चीज होना रह जाता है. And why? Because this parent is just not in that space. They just do not have that capacity, that ability to do that. उसका भी एक अपना रीजन होता है. Because this parent, कहने को हम इसको लेबल कर देने अब पेरेंट, this person again comes from their own world. ये भी कभी एक ऐसा बच्चा था. So maybe things happened with them as well, that they ended up into this adult who just do not have capacity to validate this child, a child who is actually dependent on them for the validation. So यहाँ पर क्योंकि invalidation हो जाता है, so it affects us into the kind of adult that we develop. So ये जो healthy dynamic है, यहाँ से एक डिफरेंट डायनामिक बन जाता है एज एन अडल्ट. मतलब यहाँ पर जो हम बॉन्ड शेयर कर रहे हैं ये अभी हेल्दी है, ठीक है, यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं हुआ है. दिस इज हाउ इट इज विद एवरीवन. बट ये जो बीच का प्रोसेस है ग्रोइंग अप, मतलब लेटर ऑन जो होता है इसके बीच में, यहाँ पे और जब हम अडल्ट में बनते हैं तो उसके बीच में ना एक इनवैलिडेशन हो जाता है, जो कि नहीं होना चाहिए. क्योंकि जब इनवैलिडेशन नहीं होगा, जब वैलिडेशन होगा, तो व्हाट विल हैपन when growing up this child feels that, okay, I'm being heard, or when this child gets validated, मतलब इसको हम feel करते हैं, when this child ends up feeling that, okay, I matter, I'm being heard, I'm loved. Because why? Because I feel all of it from this person, because I'm receiving all of these good messages, good feedback, a feeling that I matter. अगर मेरे को कुछ होता है problem, if I'm crying, this person comes and attends to me, this person listens to me, and I feel loved generally. ठीक है. तो जब वैलिडेशन होता है, तो दैट इज हाउ वैलिडेशन हैपेंस. सो वैलिडेशन का मतलब दैट दिस चाइल्ड फील्स वैलिडेटेड, दैट आई हैव वैल्यू, दैट व्हाट आई हैव टू से मैटर्स, दिस पर्सन केयर्स अबाउट मी, आई मैटर एज एन इंडिविजुअल इन दिस वर्ल्ड, एंड दिस चाइल्ड इवेंचुअली स्टार्ट्स टू फील सेफ इन दिस वर्ल्ड. सो अगर उस तरीके से हम बड़े होते हैं तो फिर क्या होता है, सेपरेशन हैपेंस एंड इंडिविजुएशन हैपेंस, विच इज अ हेल्दी थिंग टू हैपन. जब हम वैलिडेशन के साथ ग्रो करेंगे, फिर जब हम बड़े होकर ये डायनेमिक चेक करेंगे तो वो डिफरेंट होगा. आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू दैट डायनेमिक एज वेल. बट राइट नाउ, बिकॉज वी आर कंसिडर्ड अबाउट सेपरेशन एंड इंडिविजुएशन विद रिलेशन टू सेल्फ हेट्रेड, या फिर विद रिलेशन टू हाउ इट इम्पैक्ट्स आवर रिलेशनशिप विद आवर ओन सेल्फ एज अ ग्रोन अप, विच इज नॉट हेल्पिंग अस. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दैट केस राइट नाउ. सो लेट्स अगेन कम बैक टू दिस केस. तो यहाँ पर ये हमारा ये सबका स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट होता है. Let's talk about the case that we are interested in, which is when we end up developing self-dislike, self-hatred, or when we end up having a relationship with our own self where we do not like ourselves, where we do not feel the confidence, where we are not able to trust my own self. So उस केस में क्या हो गया, growing up बड़े होते होते हमारा invalidation. So we did not get the validation from this person. We did not receive that feeling, that value, that okay, I value. यहीं पर मैंने यहाँ पे देखो क्या लिखा है कि self-hatred starts to grow. सो लेट्स लुक दैट व्हाट हैपेंस. सो सपोज यहाँ से डायनेमिक चेंज हो गया, एक ये डायनेमिक था, अब बड़े होकर मैंने बिल्कुल बहुत ज़्यादा हमने टाइम ट्रैवल कर लिया और हम आ गए अडल्ट वर्जन में, जब व्हेन दिस चाइल्ड हैज़ फाइनली ग्रोन अप इनटू एन अडल्ट. ठीक है. सो नाउ लेट्स फोकस ऑन टू दिस. सो दिस इज एन अडल्ट नाउ, और ये हमारा पेरेंट है. पर नोटिस हियर दैट यहाँ पर जो बॉन्ड था पहले, जो अटैचमेंट, जो स्ट्रिंग थी, जो हमने दिखाया था रिलेशन, जो अटैचमेंट है, वो अभी भी एग्जिस्ट करता है. यहाँ पर लिखा है स्टिल डिपेंडेंट. सो यहाँ पे as an adult also we are still dependent on this person. and dependent का मतलब ये नहीं कि I'm financially dependent, no, ये बहुत ही internal वाला dependent है. dependent as in I am still defining myself with respect to this person. I'm still trusting this person more than myself. I'm still finding my safety in this person, which is a huge thing. क्योंकि मैंने लिखा no safety within, which is a huge thing, because in a healthy setup growing up we need to separate. This needs to happen. Separation and individuation needs to happen in a healthy setup for us to become a healthy adult. So यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा है unhealthy dynamic. वो healthy dynamic था. So when we were dependent on this person as a child, when we were dependent, we needed them as a child. So when we were dependent on this person to trust ourselves, to trust the world, to feel safe within, as a child it was normal. बट क्योंकि बड़े होकर भी हमारा डायनेमिक नहीं चेंज हो पाया, बड़े होकर भी वी आर स्टिल शेयरिंग द सेम रिलेशनशिप विद दिस पर्सन, ये अनहेल्थी डायनेमिक बन जाता है। क्यों? क्योंकि एज अ चाइल्ड तो वो नॉर्मल था, बट यहाँ पर देर विल बी फीलिंग्स ऑफ सेल्फ हेटेड। वाई? बिकॉज see, as an adult, we have our thinking brain. We start to think, we start to look around ourselves, and we start to see that my peers or my friends or my colleagues, I see them and I see that okay, they are much more confident than me. I can see that they are so carefree. They don't care about what I think about them or what other people think about them. Generally, they can make their decisions well, or they just seem happier or lighter in their life. At the same time, this person also starts to see that is not the case with me. I feel confused, I feel dependent on this person, I'm dependent, I'm not allowed to think for my own self. And here this person would be confused कि यार मैं ऐसा क्यों है, ये इसके लिए भी confused रहेगा कि ऐसा क्यों है, because this person does not realize here that the dynamic that this person has grown in, or the environment that this person has grown in, it has made him into an adult जिसका रिलेशनशिप खुद के साथ हैम्पर्ड है। मतलब दिस इंडिविजुअल डज नॉट हैव द अवेयरनेस, बट द प्रॉब्लम इज दैट द रिलेशनशिप दैट दिस पर्सन कम्स टू हैव विद हिमसेल्फ हियर is unhealthy. मतलब self hatred, because self hatred is there and self hatred is not natural. Self hatred does not mean that मतलब when there is self hatred inside us, it means that my relationship with myself is unhealthy. और जब unhealthy relationship है, so as उसके consequences होंगे, which is that I don't feel confident in myself. I can't decide for my own self. I don't feel confident in any decision that I have to make. As a result, it affects my job, it affects the relationship I make, it affects my even general equation with other people. मतलब even just feeling safe in the presence of my friends or colleagues or normal people or social gatherings, even that starts to feel difficult. Why? Because, and this is the problem, see, this is what happens. Why? Because this has not happened here. In this case, separation नहीं हुआ, individuation नहीं हुआ, and ये एक healthy term है. This is what needs to happen. See, when we are born, this is supposed to be this way. We are supposed to depend on them. यहाँ पर separation होना और individuation होना healthy नहीं है. But as a grown up, separation और individuation होना जरूरी है, because we need this person only for our initial growth, only for us to reach a stage where we can finally start to think for ourselves. And as an adult, we are finally at a space where we have our brain developed, we can think for ourselves, we can make our decisions, we can decide for our own selves. But because ये relationship ऐसा होता है, but because the dynamic ऐसा होता है, because we grow up with a person who for whatever reason they just could not validate us, hence we end up believing or trusting this person more, or feeling dependent on this person for everything. और ये इस रिलेशनशिप शेयर करने का भी एक रीजन है, बिकॉज दिस पर्सन मतलब दिस पर्सन was a certain way. So the fact that we share such a dependent relationship with this person even as an adult, इसमें this person has a big role to play in that. But again, as I say, it is not about blaming. We can blame today. आज हम blame कर सकते हैं कि सारी गलती इसकी थी. This person could not bring me up in a certain way where other people generally happen to have a healthy setup and all of those things. But how far can we go in that? Blame करने से किसका फायदा हो रहा है? Are we getting to a resolution? Is it helping us or this person? No, it is not. So that is why that is why it is important to understand, to have the awareness. So this is why am I sharing this? Because we need to have awareness of okay, what is happening with me and what is the reason. Not to blame, but to separate ourselves from this person, to know the resolution that okay, what do I need to do? What is the solution and how do I go there? So the main goal is to come back to myself, to choose different for myself, so that I do not end up living this life being stuck here, feeling that I am helpless, nothing can happen, this is how I was born to be, this is my destiny. Instead, I can separate myself from this and I can choose myself again. And not to focus on this person, but to come back to myself. And ये होता है कभी जब when you have this awareness for the first time, that the fact that today I do not feel good in myself and I lack confidence, or I don't feel safe within, or I depend on this person has a big role to play. When you start to know that it happened because this person was unhealthy in themselves, they just did not share a good relationship with in themselves, that is why it happened with me, that is why they could not validate me. So थोड़ी वो गुस्सा आएगा, वो blame के लिए वो जो होता है ना, we start to point our finger onto them. It happens because that anger is a part of it, but it is about processing the anger and finally coming to a point where you are able to choose yourself instead of just doing that thing forever. And it happens, it will happen, there's no problem in it. Okay, so अभी तक हमने क्या पढ़ा, that okay, this is दिस इज अ हेल्दी सेटअप, बट यहाँ पर आते आते एक अनहेल्दी डायनेमिक में बदल जाता है। क्यों? क्योंकि वैलिडेशन नहीं होता है, यहाँ पे इनवैलिडेशन होता है। एंड यू नो the difference factor was the way we grow up, the person we grow up with, and the way we end up feeling growing up, because of which we end up having a relationship with our own self, जहाँ पर we do not trust ourselves, we do not feel safe within our own selves, and we are very much dependent on this person. So here we are defining ourselves with this relationship with this person. यहाँ पे वो बिल्कुल ट्रस्ट नहीं होगा, वी वोंट इवन ट्रस्ट आवर सेल्स टू मेक अ डिसीजन, और यहाँ पर ये पर्सन कहीं ना कहीं बहुत डोमिनेंट होगा हम पे, तभी ये रिलेशनशिप ऐसा है। दिस पर्सन, आई मीन यू नो, एक तो इनवैलिडेशन हुआ, मतलब वी आर एट अ पॉइंट वेयर वी फेल टू ट्रस्ट आवर सेल्स, प्लस दिस पर्सन even today actively behaves in the way which makes me not trust myself but trust this person more than myself. So it's kind of manipulation game, we can say. But one thing to understand, that you are, as an adult, you are fully capable of making your own decisions. The only thing that is missing is the trust factor, the fact that I do not, मतलब ये जो रिलेशनशिप था ये कट नहीं हुआ है, और मेरी जो सेफ्टी है, ट्रस्ट फैक्टर है, वो मैंने अपने अंदर खुद डेवलप नहीं किया है। बिकॉज यू नो वाई वी हैवंट डेवलप्ड इट, बिकॉज डेवलप करने के लिए ये यहाँ से डेवलप होता है। व्हेन दिस पर्सन कॉन्स्टेंटली वैलिडेट्स अस, we start to feel, growing up we start to feel that, you know, I'm capable, good things can happen, I can manage things, I can take care of myself, because world is good, I am good, everybody is good, I am loved, world will love me. So when we receive this message, when we grow up feeling this way, वो जो ट्रस्ट फैक्टर होता है वो खुद ही हम अपने अंदर बिल्ड करने लगते हैं, और धीरे धीरे खुद ही सेपरेशन होता है। दैट इज व्हाट हैपेंस इन अ हेल्दी डायनामिक, बिकॉज यहाँ पे हम वी आर कंसिडरिंग वन सर्टन केस, तो इस केस में क्या होता है, दैट वी बिकम दिस पर्सन बिकॉज यहाँ पर हम वो डेवलप नहीं कर पाए अंदर सेफ्टी, और उसका भी रीजन है। सो इट्स नॉट अबाउट अस, राइट, इट्स नॉट अबाउट अस, द फॉल्ट और द प्रॉब्लम इज नॉट इन अस, इट वॉज इन सिचुएशन, इट वॉज इन वॉट हैपेंड, विच इज अ फैक्ट विच इज हैपेंड, राइट. So now let's move towards the resolution, what needs to happen, and how we can turn this, you know, unhealthy dynamic again into healthy dynamic. That is the resolution. Let's talk about how I can move forward ahead from this point on. So what needs to happen is, so see, instead of relying on the past कि यार ये क्यों हुआ, नहीं होना चाहिए था, क्योंकि we can never go in past and change things. The only thing that we can do is look forward and, you know, find out, okay, what can I do from here, the place where I am standing, what is the way out and what can I do, and let me do that, you know, choosing that. So it's not always about looking forward, and it is for your own self, it is about being selfish, and I always say that being selfish is not a wrong thing, but then again there's a certain definition of selfish that I carry. It's about choosing yourself, it's about you know, deciding or choosing to care for yourself, or to, you know, to love yourself, to understand yourself. That is what I mean when I say selfish. So right now what is happening, so let's look at what needs to happen. So what do I do? So यहाँ पर वही डायनेमिक है, वही पेरेंट है, ये हम एडल्ट. तो मैंने जो पहली चीज जो हमने ड्रॉ की है, ये जो हमारा देखो एक बॉन्ड तो हम शेयर कर ही रहे हैं, बट यहाँ पे सी मैंने वो नहीं ड्रॉ किया दैट वी आर अटैच्ड, सो इट्स नॉट एंड टू एंड कनेक्टेड. ये बीच में मैंने शेयर किया दैट वी आर शेयरिंग अ डायनेमिक. वो भी मैंने जो अटैचमेंट था उसको भी मैंने सेपरेशन दिखाया दैट यहाँ पर एक सेपरेशन हो गया, विच इज इंडिविजुएशन. मतलब यहाँ पे आई एम नॉट डिपेंडेंट ऑन दिस पर्सन, आई एम नॉट लुकिंग एट दिस पर्सन फॉर एवरीथिंग इन माई लाइफ, आई एम नॉट ट्रस्टिंग दिस पर्सन मोर देन माई सेल्फ. एंड यहाँ पर मैंने क्या ड्रॉ किया है, एक यहाँ पे मैंने एक सर्कल ड्रॉ किया है, विच इज आई हैव रिप्रेजेंटेड एज योर सेंस ऑफ सेफ्टी. तो यहाँ पर आई हैव डेवलप्ड माई ओन सेंस ऑफ सेफ्टी, दैट इज आई हैव डेवलप्ड माई ओन ट्रस्ट फैक्टर, माई ओन सेफ्टी इन माई ओन सेल्फ. पहले क्या था वो यहाँ पर नहीं था, पहले वी वर मिसिंग इट एंड वी वर लुकिंग फॉर दैट सेफ्टी इन दिस पर्सन. दैट इज वाई वी वर कनेक्टेड, बिकॉज वी ऑल वॉन्ट सेफ्टी इन आवर लाइफ. तो पहले वो डायनेमिक्स एग्जिस्ट कर रहा था बिकॉज आई वॉज एन अडल्ट हु कुड नॉट फील सेफ इन देम सेल्व्स. दैट इज वाई आई वॉज सीकिंग दैट सेम सेफ्टी इन माई पेरेंट, इन दैट डोमिनेंट पर्सन इन माई लाइफ. ठीक है, but it was not helping because we all have our own emotion, we all have our own space, our own world, our own reasons to be the way we are. So वहाँ पर हम डिपेंडेंट थे उस पर्सन पे, बट ये पर्सन हमें नहीं केटर कर सकता क्योंकि इसके खुद के ट्रिगर्स हैं, इसका खुद का एक इमोशनल स्पेस है, इसकी खुद के नीड्स हैं. तो ये पहले अपने आप को देखेगा, राइट. एंड मोर ओवर दिस, द फैक्ट दैट ऑल ऑफ दिस हैपेंड, it means that if this person did not have the capacity to regulate themselves, तो ये हमें कैसे रेगुलेट करेगा, मतलब हमारे इमोशंस को कैसे रेगुलेट करेगा. हाउ विल दिस पर्सन मेक श्योर दैट आई फील सेफ विद माई सेल्फ. सो इवन दो वी वर ट्राइंग टू फाइंड आवर सेफ्टी इन दिस पर्सन, it was not helping us. That is why unhealthy dynamic. So let's look at the solution part. सो जब हम सोल्यूशन पे आए तो मैंने क्या कहा कि यहाँ पर इंस्टेड ऑफ फाइंडिंग दैट सेफ्टी इन दिस पर्सन वी हैव डेवलप्ड इट, एंड दिस इज द वर्क, यू नो. मैंने यहाँ पे आपको एंड रिजल्ट शो कर रही हूँ कि क्या होना है, व्हाट नीड्स टू हैपन, एंड आई विल एक्सप्लेन हाउ डज दिस पर्सन डेवलप द सेफ्टी, बिकॉज दैट इज द सोल्यूशन पार्ट, बिकॉज दैट इज व्हाट इज मिसिंग इन अस राइट नाउ, विच इन दिस सिनेरियो वी हैव डेवलप्ड, विच इज इन द सोल्यूशन पार्ट. सो आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट इट. सो यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है, वी हैव डेवलप्ड दैट सेफ्टी विद इन अस, विच मीन्स दैट नाउ आई ट्रस्ट माई सेल्फ, नाउ आई एम इन अ प्लेस, आई एम इन अ पोजिशन वेयर आई कैन सेल्फ वैलिडेट माई सेल्फ. मतलब आई कैन वैलिडेट माई सेल्फ. सी, वैलिडेशन इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट नीड्स टू हैपन. वैलिडेशन का मतलब क्या होता है, दैट यू नो, मतलब इट्स अ फैक्टर ऑफ ट्रस्टिंग दैट ओके, if I have an experience, if I'm believing something about the world, और अगर मैंने कोई verdict निकाला है, if I have a way of looking at something, if I have a belief, a thought about something, a perspective, it's about validating it कि क्या ये सच है. It's about getting that validation, that you know, sharing what you believe and then the other person confirming it, then the other person validating you that yes, it's true, it's right. So पहले you are dependent on other person. Why? Because वो validation कभी मिला ही नहीं हमें growing up. But यहाँ पर by doing the inner work, by building a healthy relationship with my own self, I come to a position where I learn to self validate myself. And because this is not a child version of me, because I'm not child here, I'm an adult, I will have the capacity in me to validate myself, and I will be able to learn to validate myself as well. So we as a person, we can very much come from this person, मतलब यहाँ से हम यहाँ बिल्कुल बन सकते हैं. सो इट्स अबाउट हाउ डू आई ट्रांसफॉर्म फ्रॉम दैट पर्सन टू दिस पर्सन. हाउ डू यू डू दिस? बाय चेंजिंग द रिलेशनशिप दैट यू शेयर विद योर ओन सेल्फ, एंड विच इज ऑल अबाउट डाइविंग डीप इन टू योर ओन सेल्फ. कि ओके, बिकॉज सी right now if I'm dependent on that person, there's a lot inside me that is making me dependent on that person, because I'm feeling scared, because I don't trust myself, because I don't like myself. There's so much grudge that I'm holding against my own self. So अगर अभी मेरा रिलेशनशिप खुद के साथ अनहेल्दी है, जिसकी वजह से आई एम अनेबल टू फील और डेवलप दैट सेफ्टी विद इन माई ओन सेल्फ, देयर इज अ लॉट दैट इज हैपनिंग विद इन. सो हाउ डू वी गो फ्रॉम दैट टू दिस? ये खुद ही नहीं हो रहा है, ये बाहर से हम नहीं लाते हैं. जो सेफ्टी डेवलप होती है ये अंदर से होती है. एंड हाउ डू वी डू दैट? बाय डूइंग इनर वर्क. इनर वर्क मतलब क्या? कि मेरे जो थॉट्स हैं, मेरी जो फीलिंग्स हैं, हाउ डू आई फील कॉन्स्टेंटली, मतलब डोमिनेंट फीलिंग क्या है मेरी? डू आई फील कन्फ्यूज्ड? डू आई फील अ सेंस ऑफ हेट्रेड टुवर्ड्स माई ओन सेल्फ? डू आई जस्ट फील कि यार कुछ नहीं हो सकता, नेगेटिविटी, हेल्पलेसनेस? If I'm whatever I'm feeling, why am I feeling? So it's about going deeper into your own system, finding out what emotions am I holding on to, what do I feel about my own self. So it's about finding all of that. And when you work on that, when you work on the thoughts that does not make you feel good, when you work on thoughts and beliefs that makes you not trust yourself, that makes you feel unsafe in your own body, or that makes you feel unsafe about the world as well, that makes you dependent on this person, when we do all of that work, that is how my relationship with my own self will start to change. And as a result of which, confidence will become my normal. I will start to feel that safety within my own self. I will come to a place where I can validate my own self, because now I trust myself. Validation is a trust factor, right? Only that person can validate us who we trust. So यहाँ पर we start to trust I start to trust myself, and hence I can validate my own self. और यहाँ पर क्या होता है, जब ये सब होता है ना, when we become this person, our confidence naturally grows, because confidence कोई ऐसी चीज़ नहीं है बाहर जो रखी हुई है, and जो बाहर रखी हुई है, and we have to do some technique to get it, that we have to act to have to be confident. Confidence वो नहीं होता है. Confidence grows naturally. It's a feeling, or it's a sense that you have that I'm okay the way I am, the person that I am. I know myself well, and I accept it, and I'm comfortable in being the person that I am. So it is that sense of feeling that okay, I know who I am, and I'm 100% okay in being that person. So that belief, that faith, that trust in your own self. और यहाँ पर मैंने देखो, even though this separation happens, even though this individuation happens, a healthy bond remains, and this is the bond that is healthy. हमें लगता है कि sometimes you may start to think that separation mean cutting off all your ties with this person. No, ये जो separation और ये जो individuation होता है, it happens at an internal level. मतलब हम internally अपना trust, जो safety यहाँ ढूंढते थे, we cut that off, and we start to develop it in our own self. How? Through inner work. How? By working on the kind of relationship that I share with my own self, by working on what's making me self-hatred, by working on that core of self-hatred and turning that around. By starting to trust myself, by starting to understand myself, by starting to love myself. And जब ये करते हैं, when we are finally separate ourselves, when we finally are able to individuate ourselves, फिर जो ये bond इसके साथ exist करता है हमारा, वो healthy bond होता है. Because now we are not defining ourselves with this person. We are not holding resentment against this person, because now we have separated. We are not asking this person or to make us feel safe. We have actually become an adult here right now, and that is the bond which will be called healthy. See, boundaries lagane se you do not it's not about ruining a relationship. It's about creating a healthy relationship, because now you will actually be able to manage your own emotions and let that person be that person. Because up until now क्या होता था, जब हम उनसे बहुत डिपेंड होते हैं ना, so we start अंदर ही अंदर we start to hold a lot of resentment, we start to accuse this person, we start to hate that person as well. जब हमारे अंदर हेट होगा तो हम हेट ही करेंगे बाहर भी. But when we do this work, when we become our own person, when we develop that safety in our own selves by doing the inner work, by building a healthy relationship with my own self, we will finally be able to let this person be themselves and take care, and we will not hold any resentment against them, which is a good thing, which is a healthy thing. Because why do you want to waste your energy on somebody else? Moreover, why do you want to hold resentment against somebody who is related to you, who somewhere you want to have a relationship of love and healthy relationship? So finally, when you do this, matlab, when you choose yourself, you're also choosing them, you're also honoring your relationship with themselves, you're also honoring them and their system. Because see, we cannot change others. You cannot stand here and ask कि तुम बदलो. You become a person who can manage my emotions. You become the person who can who could have given me a better childhood. What is that? That is like dishonoring this person, not respecting their system, not respecting like the space they come from or their capability to work on themselves. But you get to choose for yourself that can I do the work on myself? Do I choose to work on my inner world, to work on what's not making me happy, to learn to regulate my own self, to learn to honor my emotions? So it's about coming back to yourself and choosing for your own self. Okay, so this is something that I wanted to share about separation and individuation. And this is the work that I talked about, that building a healthy relationship with your own self. That is the work I do, and I feel truly passionate about it, because I see the difference it can bring into one's life. Because it's like going from a space where you do not like yourself, and when you do not like yourself, you will not find anything good in this world. Because हमारी दुनिया हमसे होती है, तो अगर आप ये इंसान है तो इसकी जो वर्ल्ड व्यू होगा वो इससे है. तो इफ आई एम नॉट लाइकिंग माई ओन सेल्फ, नथिंग इन दिस वर्ल्ड will feel okay to me. मतलब मुझे कुछ नहीं अच्छा लगेगा. I will never, there is no place where I will finally feel good. So what needs to change? Internally what's happening needs to change. And the moment my relationship with my own self changes, when I start to see myself differently, when I start to understand myself, when I start to love myself, when I start to feel myself worthy of that love, my world will change, how I feel will change. And I think that is a very beautiful work, because it's like respecting yourself, respecting your life, respecting your soul. Okay, so to do this work, to work on your relationship with your own self, you can DM me session on my WhatsApp number. I will put the WhatsApp number in comment and description. Go to the description and comment, and just DM me session. And my first clarity call is free right now, and we can have our session. We can have our first session. All right, bye bye.